Did you know that diversifying your investment portfolio with precious metals can safeguard your wealth against market volatility? Today, we're diving deep into Noble Gold Investments, a company that's making waves in the gold IRA space. We'll explore their offerings, pros, and cons, and see how they stack up against the competition. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Noble Gold Investments is the right choice for you. And remember, if you find this review helpful, check the link in the description to sign up and get started with your investment journey. What is Noble Gold Investments? Noble Gold Investments specializes in providing gold IRA services, helping individuals secure their retirement with physical precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Founded by Charles Thorngren and Colin Plume, the company has built a reputation for transparency, customer education, and personalized service. Why consider a gold IRA? Before we delve into Noble Gold Investments specifically, let's briefly touch on why you might consider a gold IRA. Gold IRAs allow you to invest in physical precious metals, offering a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Unlike traditional IRAs that are tied to stocks and bonds, gold IRAs provide a tangible asset that tends to hold its value over time. Noble Gold Investments, the offerings. 1. Precious Metals IRAs. Noble Gold offers self-directed IRAs, allowing you to invest in gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. They provide a range of IRS-approved coins and bars for your IRA, ensuring compliance with regulations while offering diverse options for your investment. 2. Royal Survival Packs. One unique offering from Noble Gold is their Royal Survival Packs. These are curated collections of precious metals designed for emergency use. They range from $10,000 to $500,000 in value and are delivered discreetly to your door, providing a tangible safeguard in times of crisis. 3. Buyback Program. Noble Gold also offers a buyback program, giving you the option to sell your precious metals back to them at a competitive rate. This provides liquidity and peace of mind, knowing that you can easily convert your assets back into cash if needed. Pros of Noble Gold Investments. Number 1. Transparency and education. Noble Gold is known for its commitment to transparency. They provide extensive educational resources on their website, including guides, articles, and videos that help investors understand the nuances of gold IRAs and the precious metals market. Number 2. Personalized service. Customer service is a standout feature of Noble Gold. Each client is assigned a dedicated advisor who provides personalized guidance based on individual investment goals. This hands-on approach ensures that you receive tailored advice and support throughout your investment journey. Number 3. Secure storage options. Noble Gold partners with International Depository Services, IDS, for secure storage. IDS offers high-security facilities in the US and Canada, ensuring your precious metals are stored safely and are fully insured. Number 4. Easy rollover process. For those looking to transfer funds from an existing retirement account into a gold IRA, Noble Gold offers a straightforward rollover process. Their team handles the paperwork and coordination, making it a hassle-free experience for clients. Cons of Noble Gold Investments. Number 1. Limited online transactions. While Noble Gold offers a wealth of information online, their platform does not support direct online transactions for purchasing precious metals or opening IRAs. Clients need to speak with an advisor to complete these processes, which can be less convenient for those who prefer online management. Number 2. Minimum investment requirement. Noble Gold has a minimum investment requirement of $2,000 for their Royal Survival Packs and $5,000 for IRAs. This might be a barrier for some investors who are looking to start with smaller amounts. Number 3. Annual fees. Like most gold IRA providers, Noble Gold charges annual fees for their services. These include storage fees, administrative fees, and custodial fees. While these costs are standard in the industry, they can add up over time and should be considered when evaluating your investment. How Noble Gold stacks up against competitors. Noble Gold versus Augusta Precious Metals. Both Noble Gold and Augusta Precious Metals are well regarded in the industry. However, Augusta tends to focus more on higher net worth individuals, with a minimum investment of $50,000. Noble Gold, on the other hand, is more accessible to a broader range of investors with its lower minimum investment requirements.